your business isn't growing, it is dying. There is no such thing as maintenance. But if you are stuck in a pricing war, then definitely your business is going to die. But what if I told you there is a simple way to fix this problem and can make your offer irresistible and will not be compared to the market and in your competitors? So in this video we are going to talk about this. So hi, my name is Hamza and I break down powerful books into 5-minute summaries so you can learn and implement instantly. So this is episode 2 of Alex Hormozi $100 million series, where I am going to talk about what 90% of entrepreneurs do mistake while creating the offer and when it comes to pricing. So let's dive into it. So basically there is no such thing as maintenance. Either you grow, either you die. Stock market increases by 9% every single year, and if you are not improving by 9% every single year, then you are going to die. But if you are in a competitive market, then that means you need to improve by at least 20 to 30% just to keep up. But there are only 3 ways you can grow any business. Number 1, you need to acquire more clients. Number 2, you need to increase the spending of your clients, and the last is you need to upsell and retain more number of clients. But most of the entrepreneurs focus on the first thing only, that is acquiring more clients, but the real fun is mastering all the 3 things. So when we talk about commoditized offer and a grand slam offer, there is a big difference. When it comes to a commoditized offer, it says like, you pay me for my work, I will work, and you may get the result or you may not. The problem here is that first of all, you are not promising anything, so there is no much of ROI that I am going to get in after I invest in you or your service. Plus you cannot charge premium here, and the client will compare your offer in the market because it is pretty generic and everyone is providing. But when it comes to a grand slam offer, your offer cannot be compared to anyone else in the market. So a grand slam offer sounds like this. Instead of saying like pay me $500 for a social media management service, instead I will say you pay me a $200 of an upfront fee as a setup fee, one time, no retainer, and you only pay me after that once you achieve your 100k followers in next 90 days on your Instagram. And plus I will be providing you exclusive templates, content creation plan, viral hooks and everything else. The delivery is same, everything is same, but here I am going to charge premium. So you are getting the point what I am trying to say. So here is the simple actionable you can implement. First, you need to start selling in a grand slam offer rather than a commoditized way. Instead of asking for pay me for my work, you need to ask for pay me for my results. Pay me only if I get the results. Number 2, you need to provide exclusive bonuses like templates and everything, so that will make your offer unique and stand out. And the last is you need to provide 100 times more value for what others are charging exclusively in the market. So now you know how to escape the pricing trap. In the next video we are going to talk about how to present your offer in the right market and search the right market, because a grand slam offer presented in the wrong market is just like shouting in a deaf ear. So we don't want this to happen with our offer, and we completely want to avoid this. So you don't want to miss on this, so just hit that subscribe button and hit that like and do share it. And if you are ready to make your grand slam offer, just comment the word offer below and let's build it together. Thank you. Bye bye.